Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a midweek haul over at Walgreens and I'm still finding some terrific deals. I know that skincare a lot of you scored on yesterday and it is still ongoing. You have to go out there and check it out. And then Meyer, we have a couple respectful deals including like a huge thing of wipes and two smaller bags for $4.29 for all of that. Magic. If you could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps out the channel and it really helps me out. If you could just take a second and like the video. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much in advance, guys. You really made my Thursday for liking this video. So at Walgreens, you're going to be looking for this Old Spice Gentleman's blend, and it is in the cucumber avocado scent, and it is a dry spray. On clearance for $7.49, but at multiple stores, it's 75% off. And I don't know if they just didn't change the tags, if this all changed over on Tuesday, but I found this at multiple stores, and I was like, okay, well, this is interesting. You know why? We have a 7 off a 2 plus a $3 digital, depending how many you can find. Unfortunately, this is not part of the buy 3, get a $5 register reward. I did try that out. But IBOTTA has $2 back on each. So that's $6 or $4 back for 2, $6 back if you can find 3 of them. But I just found 2 at this one store. So here's the quick rundown on this. 2 of these for $7.58. Subtracting that digital coupon that does in fact attach, you'll pay 58 cents out of pocket. Photograph that receipt to IBOTTA with that rebate I just showed you. So it makes it free plus a $3.52 moneymaker. And I did test it at another store because I found a bunch and I'm like, I'm going to try 3. Does that $5 register reward print? It's not part of it. But still, to get 2 of these for free, I mean, that's a fantastic deal. If you can only find one, we also have a $3 digital, so it would make it, cheap, and then you just photograph to IBOTTA just for 1, but 2 of them is the way to go. I also tracked down one of these $10.99 serums. We have a $10 digital and an $8 digital, so it'll either be $2.99 or 99 cents. You can remove coupons as well if you only find one in the app. I made a video on that last week, and I also made a video about different scents and Olay serums that are part of this. Check out yesterday's video. I'll link it at the very end. So at one store when I walked in, I asked the cashier, I'm like, hey, are these dumb paper register rewards printing? And then she looked at me, she's like, oh, are you looking for some? And then she just handed me 3 of these, and one of them was a spend 25 get back 5. It had a quick expiry date of the 23rd, so I'm like, I'm gonna throw together a $25 basket right now. And I was so grateful to her. She was just like so nice. And I know not every cashier does this. You can find them, in carts or around the store, but yeah, these don't print out for most of us, so I was just shocked that she just handed me 3 of them. $25 basket included 3 of those clearance Gentleman Old Spice sprays, 2 Axe body washes, and then 2 of the Max Fresh toothpaste by Colgate. Are the following digital coupons that I loaded: a $7.50 off a 2 for the Axe. And there's also a Fetch Rewards rebate of spend 20, get back 5, and I achieved it with this purchase. Okay, and then we're also going to load this guy, which is a 4 off a 2, and the promotion for the Colgate is to buy 2, get back a $3 register reward, which is nice. And then for the Old Spice, we have a 7 off a 2 plus a $3 digital. And there's $6 back through IBOTTA with a rebate, which is like really fancy. Now, just to show you my receipt, I did have a little bit of a snafu. This $3 digital, I didn't load it properly, so I had to call back customer service later to get it back. But I threw in a $6 register reward that I had from the Oral-B brushes, so that's why I have an extra $6 off. So I should have paid $9.85 with that $3 digital, and I'm just showing you the receipt right here. And then I used my debit card for the balance, as I had the booster of spend 25, get back 5. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, a $3 register reward from Colgate, $6 back from IBOTTA, and then 5,000 points back from Fetch, as I had a spend 20, get back 5 on the Axe, and I was halfway there and I achieved it. So how fantastic is this? This is like a $9 moneymaker cart, and it's totally what extreme couponing is about. One thing that we can't forget this week is the $1.99 liquid Arm & Hammer detergent. I mean, it's definitely the week to stock up. Next week, it's like, I think, a buy one get two for free, but you're paying like $7.49 for the first one, so it's still cheaper at $1.99. So definitely stock up your stockpile if you need to grab this for that cost. Now, I'm not making a separate video on this because people really don't care about Rite Aid, but I wanted to share these photos because I thought they were very pertinent. Michigan and Ohio, we're losing all of our Rite Aid pharmacies, which is really sad. And a lot of them are in this process of liquidating all the merchandise. So 50, 90%. And I noticed at some of the stores, a lot of the products are like Walmart, equate as a Walmart product. And I guess one of the managers explained to me that it's all stuff that they bought at auction and they had extra in their warehouse and it had just been living there rent free. So now they're trying to sell it to the public. And a lot of this stuff is also from Bed Bath and Beyond. So if you're seeing a lot of like towels and like little bowl sets and cutting boards, it's still very expensive. It's like $19 for a set of bowls. And it's like, I'd rather buy them at the Dollar General for that cost. But a lot of it's from Bath and Body Works. So I thought that was interesting. I thank the manager for sharing that with me. But it's really depressing because this is where a lot of us built our stockpile. It was a place that we went to, even if it was just to bum around and look for IBOTTA rebates and hang out. I mean, just the fact that it won't be there and it's completely gone. I know this is just the waves of how stores close, but this one is more personal for me because even though I wasn't an employee there, I made enough content that I felt like I was an employee there. I got along well with all the managers and the staff, and just to see this, it's like, it makes me sick to my stomach, to be perfectly honest. Polo Jordache towels at 50%. I know a lot of you would stock up on those. And those are also from Bed Bath and Beyond. Let me know in the comments down below if you are as sad as I am about these Rite Aids closing, because I haven't really been myself in the last couple weeks. I've been really sad about this and it just doesn't, I can't shake it off. And I know it's a store closure, like, hey, get over it. It's not like I worked there, but it really sucks. The fact that I won't see that store anymore, it's just, the reality's coming quickly and I don't like it. Last store that we have is Meijer. It's in the Midwest only. Google if you have the store or not. There is no sister chain. You're going to grab one of these larger Huggies Calm wipes. It's a 6 counter for $336. And then you're going to grab 2 of the bags, and they're $112 a piece. So two bags in one. So that's a total of 3 of these baby wipes. And if you could line this deal up perfectly and it works for you, that's great. If not, maybe just return them, because it's kind of a leap of faith deal, because it worked once for me and the second time it didn't. So that kind of sucks. So the larger thing of wipes and then the 2 smaller ones, how I got it to work the first time was I scanned the larger box and then the 2 smalls. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but the second time the $10 store coupon didn't print for me. And I often have trouble like that at Meijer. And if you go to customer service, they'll just give you some excuse. They won't really work with you. So I don't really like that. Just to show you, this is the 112 count. IBOTTA had rebates for these, but I think the larger one, there's like a 50-cent rebate right now. So these are all the coupons that you're going to load. We have a $2 off of each for the smaller, and then a $5 off for the larger boxes. And then we have a 10 off of 30. And why the store coupon sometimes prints and doesn't print, that is a mystery to me, but it makes it frustrating. Just to show you the receipt, we had almost $30 of stuff. And then with tax, you pay $14.29. If you might be so lucky, IBOTTA, do you have, I think it's like 75 cents altogether in rebates. I want to give a special shout out to, I think her name is Savings with Luo on Instagram. Sorry if I mispronunciate her name. Fantastic Meijer shopper. I'll put her name right here if you wish to follow her over on Instagram. But she has a lot of very cool and unique deals over at Meijer. And then this is the elusive store coupon that printed out, so it makes the whole basket $4.29 for 3 things of those wipes. The second time I didn't return it because I'm like, I can do something with these wipes, it's okay, but I wish it would just be consistent. And if you went to customer service, they would probably say, oh, the emperor came off for you and you don't deserve this. You know how they are. So it is what it is. It's a leap of faith deal. Either try it and then return it if it doesn't work, because $4.29 is better than $14.29. That is for sure. Hey, so over at Meyer, these scent beads in the trial size, and they're called Comfy Cozy. It's some sort of vanilla scent. Here's the deal: in smaller markets, it's not even stocked, and we have a $4 M perk that's expiring on Saturday, so it'd make it 99¢. Now I know in larger markets, Chicago, Detroit, they have been stocked, but in small town USA, not so much. So I'm wondering if you go to customer service and ask for a rain check to get this for 99¢. Is that something they will honor? Because it's at the front of their flyer and the MPERG expires on Saturday the 24th. I think we should get one per customer. Customer service did nothing to help me out because I did call to complain and they were like, nah, nah, nah. And I'm like, okay, thanks, bye. I know if you might have a Kroger, it is in stock and it's just $1 each. You don't even need to load the coupon. I made a whole dedicated video to that. So if you have it in stock or possibly at Kroger, I am so jealous. I really want to try this one. And I'm wondering if Dollar General might have a $4 digital coupon in the next couple of weeks. It seems like P&G is really trying to promote this specific product. I really want to try it. 99¢ would be a great price point. This product called Pure Protein, it's a little chip. Find it in the pharmacy aisle, like where they have the different protein shakes and stuff. They're part of the Buy 5, Save 5, so it makes each bag 99¢. I know that most stores are probably cleared. However, midweek, maybe there might be a restock. Definitely open up the Meyer app, try adding 5 to a cart at your location, and that's how you'll know, like, is this worth it, yes or no? I would do it. There's sour cream and barbecue, the two different flavors that I saw. Maybe it's worth trying to do that. The regular price is $2.49 for a bag, so to pay 39¢, that's like, $2.10 of savings. I would definitely try it if it's something that you want for your stockpile. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.